Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to log out of your Snapchat account on your phone. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Watch this quick video to learn how to log out of Snapchat on your phone. To begin, open the Snapchat app from your apps drawer. Tap the icon in the top left corner. If you have a Bitmoji connected, it will be your Bitmoji. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings list, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And tap on Logout. A dialog box will pop up asking if you want to save your login information. Select whichever you want. Another confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to log out. Tap the logout button. That's it. You have been logged out from your account. If you want to remove your account from the app, tap on Remove Account. From the confirmation box, select Yes. So in this simple way, you can log out of your Snapchat account on your phone. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.